Hi, my name is and I'm the lab manager at Next Biobank. Umbilical cord blood and umbilical cord tissue samples are processed in the clean room. The clean room is a controlled environment that holds filters that filter out dust, microorganisms, and pollutants. This ensures that cord blood and cord tissue samples are protected from contamination. Lab personnel working in the clean room are trained to wear protective personal equipment that also protects the product from contamination. We use Prepicide, an FDA-approved agent, to process umbilical cord blood. The Prepicide concentrates hematopoietic stem cells and expresses out red blood cells. To protect the stem cells from effects of long-term storage, DMSO is added to the buffer coat. The control rate freezers are used to decrease the temperature by 1 degree per minute until the temperature reaches -180. The samples are then moved to our storage tanks. We store samples in the vapor phase of liquid nitrogen. Our lab is accredited by the American Association of Blood Banks and Biotherapies, formerly known as the American Association of Blood Banks. The tests that we do in our lab are prescribed by the AABB. We've been through numerous accreditation processes. One of the tests that we do on umbilical cord blood is sterility. To do this, we take a sample from the buffer coat and add it to industry standard culture bottles. The bottles are incubated for 5 days, and samples that test positive are sent to an external lab for identification of the contaminating microorganism. We also perform flow cytometry on umbilical cord blood to count the number of hematopoietic stem cells we were able to recover from the sample. We take part in the UK NECWA CD34 proficiency assessment. This is to ensure that our methods are on par with global standards. We also test the maternal blood for infectious diseases such as HIV, syphilis, and hepatitis. Samples that do test positive are stored in our lab in a separate tank that we have termed the quarantine tank. Our storage room has a fire protection system, and our tanks do not run on electricity. The monitors are connected to a UPS, and we also have backup power during load shedding.